January 9th, 1879, the Cheyenne people were locked up at Fort Robinson. After being without food and water for several days and no heat, they decided to break out and go back home to the north.
The Dutz, hot and man, we are going home.
Our DNA is waiting for us to return back to greatness.
Freeze, starve, die, imprisoned, or fight. Middle of the night. Stars witness dark escape. Run. Don't look. Don't stop. Run home.
Hick on it done. Be strong. Run. Wind whistling. Run. Small hail hitting. Run. Cold temperatures. Run. Muddy roads. Run. Must be strong. Run. Think of the ancestors. Run. Run.
No more crying. Let me wipe away those tears. Let me see you smile.
Mahakse, Navise, Amamionim. We are running for our ancestors.
We must love each other and respect each other. Yeah, yeah.
When I'm running, I think about my ancestors. I also think about my family back at home. I think about the historical trauma that carries through our genes. I think about the stuff we go through daily as natives. This year, I'm kind of dedicating this run for my own special healing. I'm also keeping people in mind and stuff, but I'm trying to heal myself. And I'm trying to go back our ways for help instead of going somewhere else for help.
Black hills. Hills as tall as skyscrapers. Roads curvy as snakes. Trees black as darkness. Ground white as cotton. The sound of runners' feet against the ground. Pit-pat, pit-pat. Sound of the flag in the whistling wind. Swish, swish. Sound of the cars on the highway. Wish, wish. The black hills, sacred as can be.
To be on this run, I feel like I have energy to run with the staff. The staff gives me strength and power.
When they pass me the flag, a charge of energy runs through my body. I feel the prayers of my people being carried in my hands and the emotions of my ancestors pulsing in my spirit.
Don't give up.
Nahanama, I am mighty.
This 400-mile spiritual run that we do, that the kids run from Fort Robinson, I think it's great. It will help the runners look to the future and have more interest in their ancestors and what they went through, all the bad things that happened to the people, and hopefully it will give the runners a better future.
We are the 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 future.
I am the future.
Yana ho yana